Thank you so much. I'm here today at the Sun and Skin Affair of Dr. Ashel, and I'm really happy because I think sun, SPF era चल रहा है, इतनी धूप हो गई, इतनी गर्मी हो गई, we all should be wearing SPF. I've been saying it every time. मैं हर अपनी वीडियोस में हर जगह बोलती हूँ कि SPF की importance कितनी ज़्यादा है. And I'm just here to have a great time and just celebrate and pass on this message to all these lovely people. That's all. Yeah.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or you associate yourself with any brand?
I think I look at if it resonates with me as a person, if I would be using that product, and also SPF is so important in my life, and when I got introduced to this brand, it was just like ticking all my marks. So I think that's why, and also the reason that I get to meet such amazing people and understand their stories. So that's why I'm here, and I'm so glad that I'm part of this beautiful day. Yeah.
What is special about Russia?
What is special? Okay, I think it's 100% vegan. That is something, and it's also made in India. तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और ऑल्सो मेरे लिए एज एन एक्टर बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंस हमेशा से रही है SPF की, क्योंकि मैं बचपन से काम करती आ रही हूँ और लाइट्स इतनी होती हैं, इतनी धूप होती है कि आपके थोड़े टाइम में आपकी स्किन ना बहुत उससे अफेक्ट होना शुरू हो जाती है. तो पहले ही शुरू कर देना चाहिए आई थिंक ये. एंड ये इनकी बहुत एक स्पेशल बात है कि इनकी हाइड्रेटिंग है सनस्क्रीन, तो एक ग्लो भी आता है. सो आई थिंक या दीज आर सम ऑफ द रीजंस.
जब हम फैशन की बात करते हैं, जब हम स्किन केयर की बात करते हैं, इस तरह की शख्सियत जब आपसे जुड़ जाती है तो आपको लगता है कि बात अब बहुत लोगों तक जाएगी. 2 लोगों तक, जब 20,000 लोगों को 2 लाख लोगों तक पहुँचेगी.
स्पेशल थैंक यू अवनीत मैडम. इन अवनीत मैडम आने से जेंजी लोग, जो हमारा डॉक्टर असल में क्राउड था, हमारे कस्टमर बहुत अच्छे थे, लेकिन मैडम आने से सारे जेंजी लोग जो सनस्क्रीन के बारे में नहीं जानते थे या तो उनको पता नहीं था डॉक्टर असल के बारे में, लेकिन मैडम आने से सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा.
So sweet. That's really sweet of him. I think I'm really excited to meet all the Gen Z people. Yeah.
What's happening on professional front?
The projects are there, which obviously as an actor I can't really talk about much, but I'm just hoping that whatever I do, all my fans and all my audience will love it and support it. That's all.
Last one, what one thing you love about Gen Z?
Oh, one thing I feel like we're really we're very self-aware somewhere, so that is a thing that a lot of people don't know about, but the self-awareness is there. We know we are very we have a lot of information about things happening around, and we're very cool. Yeah, we're very chill. That's some of the things, I guess. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And you all love it because Dr. Michelle's, especially Deep and South and Sunscreen, has been number 1. Come on, everybody, make some noise! Perfect. Okay.
Yes, I have. And okay, so I just have this story that I have to share. I think as an actor, obviously, हमें सबको पता है that how important it is to use SPF and all things considered, the weather and everything. But I think I got introduced to SPF very soon in my life because I've been working since I was a kid, literally. So I used to be in front of the camera the whole time, the harsh UV rays of the lights and the sun and everything. I got to know that how important it is to use.
साथ में बोलेंगे मैम उधर से प्रोडक्ट નું તમે જ વાત
કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, તમે આવી ગયા એટલો બસ.
થેન્ક યુ
मैडम एक सपનું હતું કે તમે ખાલી આવો મારી. शंकर भाइयों मैं बैठा था, शंकर भाई ने बोला रवीना मैडम है, तो मैंने सब छोड़ दिया. मैंने लगा वही चाहिए.
शंकर इज वेरी स्वीट. आई थिंक ऑडियो लाउड है ना थोड़ा, आते वक्त करें फिर.
So good to see you, Ravina ma'am.
थैंक यू।
आप मुश्किल नजर आता होगा मेरे, जब तक आप कुछ खास नहीं लगता आप कहीं जाते हैं।
आई थिंक मुझे मेरा घर बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं ज़्यादातर वहीं रहती हूँ। बट आई थिंक जैसे आप लोग भी जानते हैं कि ये समर का महीना चल रहा है, धूप, गर्मी, ह्यूमिडिटी, एंड व्हाट बेटर इवेंट टू बी ऑन देन टू बी हियर फॉर डॉक्टर रशेल्स ब्यूटी एलिक्सर विच इज़ सन एंड स्किन। तो जब सन एंड स्किन की बात होती है तो आई थिंक आई लव बीइंग देयर, क्योंकि जानकारी हासिल करने के अलावा आई थिंक अपने आप का ख्याल कैसे रखें, क्या किया जाए। और इस गर्मियों के मौसम में जो आप लोग सब जानते हैं कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ती जा रही है, तो हर जगह पूरी दुनिया में गर्मी ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा, हमारे अर्थ का भी जो टेम्परेचर है, पृथ्वी का टेम्परेचर है, वो भी 1-2 डिग्री से बढ़ता जा रहा है। तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि यू नो वाया अ प्रॉपर मेडिकल kind of advice is that we should learn how to take care of our skin.
What are the 3 things or anything you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
To be honest, I am here just as a guest today. अगर ये लोग मानेंगे then I'll become the ambassador as well. But unfortunately, I'm signed elsewhere. But here I'm as a friend and as a guest to congratulate and to help them reach out to as many people as they can via y'all.
What happened on professional front?
Lots. In fact, I was doing a reading for a new Netflix show that I'm doing, and then Welcome 3K की release हो जाएगी जल्द. There are a couple of films also that I've already done which should be on release. Then there are a couple of films that I've signed as well. So a lot of exciting stuff. There's a Sony Live show also that is over now, which should be coming on soon. So yeah, OTT and movies, both. Happy balance.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे somebody like रवीना, उनको किसी तारुफ की जरूरत नहीं है, इतनी दूर तक जाएगी बात। हालांकि उन्होंने कहा कि ब्रांड एम्बेसडर वो अलग बात है, लेकिन फिर भी जब वो मौजूद हैं, जब वो कहती है तो बहुत लोग उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं।
रवीना मैडम बोले तो लेजेंड एक्टर है। इनसे आने से 90 से लेके आज तक का एजेंसी जो डॉक्टर रसल को नहीं जानते थे वो भी जानने लगेंगे। और मैडम के आने से हमारी कंपनी में इतना बड़ा
अच्छा, आप हाथ में जुड़ी, मेरे को बुरा लग रहा है। अब अच्छी तरह बात कीजिए, इसके बगैर बात कीजिए। हाँ,
तो मैडम 19 से लेके अभी तक जो भी एजेंसी लोग हैं वहाँ पे मैडम का बहुत क्रेज है, और मैडम के आने से हमारी बहुत बड़ा फायदा होने वाला है। थैंक यू।
सो स्वीट। बस इन लोग का प्यार ही है जो आज तक कदम बढ़ाए जाने डर करके हम निकल जाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी। थैंक यू। Come in and enjoy the evening with us.
Ironically stands for Tip Tip Barsa Pani, like how you. And I have to say that seeing so many of you young faces here, that I'm so proud for all that you girls stand for. Really, it is not easy in this generation. You'll call it Gen Z, whatever, influencer, whatever. No, it's not that. It's the fact that all you girls together have made individuality, content, your personalities, and to stand out there away from the crowd is a huge congratulations to all of you. Really, so a big round of applause for yourselves. Let me hear how loud you can cheer for yourselves. Come on. Okay, should we make the whole of Borivali hear this again? 1, 2, 3, go girls. Okay, that is brilliant. Lot of girl power in the house. Come on boys, where are y'all? एक बेचारा बंदा आजा यार, आगे आजा, पीछे क्यों खड़ा है? There's so many pretty girls here. Hi, how sweet. How sweet, how sweet. That's really kind of you. I'm very flattered. And you know, there are a lot of things that I use internally, I use externally as well. Whether it's putting nariyal pani on my face or the nariyal ka malai, or just. But see, it also depends on your skin type. What suits me might not suit you. So a lot of people have oily skin, dry skin, etc. I have like semi-dry kind of skin. So whether I gotcha. She turned her phone around and it like this. So when she turned it to me, I did the same. So I was like, welcome anytime. So the thing is that for me, like very natural things work, like castor oil and ghee and things like coconut oil and almond oil, etc. But what I do feel that the best summer hack, besides internally keeping yourself hydrated, is definitely a bit of sunblock, sunscreen, mixed with whatever little makeup you're doing. You can mix your foundation along with that. So that is also something that definitely helps your skin from not burning, rashes, humidity, oily. And if it has a little bit of vitamin E oil, nothing better than that.